Reggie Alon, in collaboration with Dean Glenn Capanas and Attorney Terence Fernandez, representing the Cebu Taxi Operators Association. With me is Mr. Richard Cabucos, the owner and operator of Richel the Taxi. And on my left is Madam Jason Sato of Ken Taxi. Other taxi operators are here as well. Now, as it stands, we filed joint opposition to the application for issuance of Certificate of Public Convenience before the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board on 3 grounds. One, the entry of 600 more taxi units will adversely affect the viability of the business operations of the oppositors, the United Cebu Taxi Operators Association. 2, the entry of these units by a single operator unduly discriminates against the oppositors who have been operating taxi units within Metro Cebu. At the same time, it violates Republic Act 11697, otherwise known as the EVIDA Law, Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act, which is supposedly the long-time taxi operators would have been given the chance to transition from their taxi units now to electric vehicles, but were left out in the dust, instead given to a new player who is GSM, unfortunately, wherein the long-time taxi operators have the capacity to introduce these electronic vehicles. And corollary to that, as a legal challenge, the corresponding issuances of LTFRB in the central office, the memoranda they issued, which the oppositors deem as unfair, as unreasonable, unjustifiable, considering that they were tailored fit for GSM. For example, when there was an existing moratorium for franchises to be opened here in the city, but when GSM applied, LTFRB Central Office issued that memorandum that it will be open. Now, when it was opened within 24 hours, automatic GSM were the ones who were able to get these franchises. And under existing law, when taxi should have been sedan in category, and GSM have in their fleet hatchback vehicles, a memorandum was issued to the effect that, okay na ang hatchback, di na lang sedan. And it is of the impression of the oppositors that there seems to be a railroading of rules and regulations of policy to fit the interest of GSM to the detriment of long-time taxi operators. That is the second ground that we have asserted in our joint opposition. And lastly, that these units provide inconvenience and exacerbate the worsening traffic condition in the city. We have looked into the documents, and we've never reached to a paper where additional 600 units would be justifiable to ply in the narrow roads of Cebu City. There is no traffic impact assessment, for example, that have been furnished that would imply that the introduction of these units would not worsen the traffic situation of the city. With all due respect, Governor, that is the position of the oppositors, the United Cebu Taxi Operators Association. Thank you.
Thank you.